morning, good day.
It's a sunny day.
Sunny day, January 25. And punta kami ngayon sa Lunar New Year Fair dito sa Yanlong.
It's also like the UFC. We're going to the Lunar New Year Fair in Yonglong, but it's not the only place we have it because there's 14 other places in Hong Kong that also have this.
Next week, mag-start na ang Chinese New Year dito sa Hong Kong. So today is January 25. Maraming mga Lunar New Year Fair dito sa Hong Kong. 15 location in different district. So pupuntahan namin yung dito sa Yanlong. So yan, malapit lang dito sa amin. Pupunta na, maglalakad lang tayo from Yanlong Station. So samahan nyo kami, okay? So
What is this for?
this is plum blossom. So dito na tayo sa Yanlong Station. Tara.
So pupunta kami ngayon sa Lunar New Year Fair dito sa Yanlong. I think a decade ago, Carlo and I visited the Victoria Lunar Fair. So dito ako dadalhin ni Carlo ngayon sa Yanlong lang para malapit-lapit. So tingnan namin kung anong pwedeng mabiling flowers. Although may flowers na ako, no? Flowers is very important for Chinese in celebrating the Chinese New Year because flowers bring harmonious relationship within the family. So it's really beautiful naman talaga ang flowers, di ba? Sino may ayaw ng flowers?
Ang mga iba-ibang orchids at saka yung mga kalamansi na yellow. So makikita nyo yun. So andito na tayo sa Exit G. Right here. Lunar New Year Fair. Let's go. Oh, ito na yung Yanlong Station. Nasa likodan ko. So sa mga nakakaalam ng lugar na to, papunta rin to dun sa Nam Sang Wai. Yung lugar na sasakay ka sa boat, then nilipat kayo sa kabilang side. Malaking area yon, Nam Sang Wai. So madalas dun maraming nagbabike, maraming naglalaro or nagpipiknik dun sa side na yon. So eto na siya. Yun si Chaden Ivan. Ayun pala yung nasunog na bundok kay Kung Leng noong 2 weeks ago.
It's a sunny day. Tamang lamig lang. But it will get cold tomorrow.
So ngayon, see, ang ganda ng araw, oh. Malamig pero sunny. So masarap maglakad pag ganito. Walang init pero warm ang pakiramdam. Ganda, oh.
Ano bang bulaklak to? Ganda, orange. Nabubuhay pa to sa Pilipinas.
Meron din daan to sa Longping Station. So pag gusto nyo rin dumaan sa Longping for the halimbawa next year, hindi naman nila binabago yon. So meron din daan doon, may mga signages naman. Pagbaba nyo ng Longping Station, So, makakita kayo ng mga ganong klaseng signages. Mga direction papunta sa Lunar New Year Fair. Malapit na. So dun pa siguro mga 200 meters. Umiinit na, mainit. Yeah, okay. Ito na siya. Punta lang tayo sa entrance. Ayun, nandun. Wala namang bayad dito. Okay. Oh. Okay. See? Pakita ko na sa inyo, ha. Oh. Oh, babe, ang ganda, oh.
Wow.
Grabe, ang ganda, oh.
Tingin ako. Ay, so ang daming Phalaenopsis. So Phalaenopsis, namumulaklak siya kapag na-meet niya yung certain temperature, tapos niya yung malamig. So pag malamig doon siya namumulaklak. But
Oh. Ang ganda, oh. So talagang pag Chinese New Year season dito sa Hong Kong, ang dami bulaklak. And then kasi ngayon maaga pa, mamaya dadating sila dito mga hapon, dadami ang tao. So baka mamaya maubos din yan. Ito I think, correct me if I'm wrong, ano siya, plum blossom. So para din siyang cherry blossom ang ano niya, ang purpose niya. Nagkakabulaklak siya sa mga sanga pero hindi sobrang dami. Okay, let's go here. So ito, eksakto to, next week bubukas na siya, mga daffodils. Okay, dami. Isa lang to sa lugar ng may Lunar New Year Fair. So 15 location to all over Hong Kong, different district. So isa to sa mga lugar na napipili. Init, mainit na. Hindi lang bulaklak ang tinda nila, pati mga ano rin, mga snacks, mga sweets. Ayan. Mamaya try namin yung sweet.
You got the hardened candy. Like
may mga ano rin, may mga laruan. So may mga sweets din dito. Mga nuts.
Dadish. It's only $50 by the way. It's just Dadish. Why it's only $50? Well, that's crazy. They're just buying it for Gab.
No.
I don't really eat that.
it's so cute, so fluffy.
Hello.
Tandok.
I like bananas.
So
I like
cute.
bananas because they taste good.
These are ano.
Which the ball? I'm a certified banana.
Yan.
Can we eat the ones over there? Snacks. Like big chubbies. Like the ones that taste really good. Yeah, those.
Sa
You know the one that tastes really good? No, the alpha.
Ba't nakatikip doon?
The alpha diba? Thank you. Nah, the alpha Elvis.
Careful on your teeth, ha?
Thank you. So they're selling this at the Chinese, at the Chinese Lunar New Year Fair. And it used to be a Tangpulu. I need to taste it. Wait.
What's that?
It's very hard to bake through the.
With sugar syrup.
Yeah, it's very hard to bake through the syrup, but it tastes good.
Can I taste?
The sugar accompanies the freshness of the strawberry inside, and it's a very good combination. Frozen, but the problem is you need to wait a while because if you just bite it, your teeth will literally break off.
Yeah.
It's so hard.
Be careful, huh?
It's so tasty though. You can't even. Inside it tastes like ice cream, bro.
The strawberry is frozen. So good. I thought it's soft inside and then covered, just coated with syrup, but it's good.
No.
Ang galing nilang gumawa. Ang galing nilang magpabunga ng mga kalamansi. Imagine, ang liit ng puno tapos ang daing bunga. Let's see kung ano yung mga tinitinda na pagkain dito sa tent na to. Let's have a look. Ito?
Galing bao?
Bumili tayo ng Xiaolong Bao. Tingnan natin kung masarap din siya kagaya ng mga nasa restaurant. Bali, ang price nito is $40 for 5 pieces. Bumili tayo ng 5 piraso. Thank you.
Why are you kissing it?
It's okay. But no soup inside.
Where's the soup dumpling?
So, ito ang Xiaolong Bao. Wala siyang soup, but it's okay. It's good.
Uh-oh. It's gonna fall.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Oh, sticky.
It's like mochi, and then they will cover it with
Wait, do you see the
nuts.
those things? Yeah, what are they called?
inside
Capitan Kundro.
And then they will
Sticky rice. Bili tayo.
chicken. It's like mochi.
Give me one.
Is it glutinous rice?
It's a lot.
Yeah. Rice.
Maybe just go out more.
Yeah, very good.
And this is a mixture of nuts and
peanut and sesame and
Sesame.
coconut
Yeah.
and sugar.
good.
How do you say this in Guangdonghua?
廣東話糯米糍。
Lo mai chi.
Yeah.
Lo mai chi.
No my chi.
Because they're kind of like I see two of them. Oh, no, there's more?
Oh, thank you. Gosai.
Bebe, nakabukas ba to?
Oh, gosai.
Gosai.
So, ito ay mochi. Chinese mochi.
Lo mochi.
What tastes like?
Mm.
You get there, oh. There, anak, oh, the
Parang kagaya sa atin, parang palitaw. Sarap.
ang init pa. So good. So, ang glutinous rice coated with a mixture of peanut, sesame, coconut, sugar. So, sarap. Kasi hindi siya matamis. It's just perfect.
Oh, this one's big.
Ay ba, no? More.
Ay, ma'am.
Malaki kasi yung ginawa.
Ito. Sarap.
Are you sure you don't want
Ay,
spicy?
so ito halos naikot na namin. Ang dami-daming bulaklak at magaganda. So ang plan namin is may pupunta pa kasi kaming iba, and then babalik na lang kami mamayang gabi dito para bilhin yung gusto naming bilhin na flowers para hindi mabigat. Okay, so here, so this is the Yanlong Lunar New Year Fair.
I see you later. Mamaya na kami bibili. Although meron na akong Phalaenopsis, but I want to buy some yung mga calamansi and yung daffodils. I always have that every year.
This way. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.